feel like you're hearing about an AI revolution, but when you try to use it, you get a janky image or a generic, boring email?
That was me. I saw this incredible technology, this key to a better future, a way to work less but achieve more, to unlock creativity we didn't know we had, even to build new streams of income. But for most of us, it feels like a locked door. The tutorials are either too basic or too technical, and that gap is where frustration and opportunity get lost. Welcome to the Justice AI channel, your all-access pass to bending, shaping, and mastering artificial intelligence.
I created this channel because I believe that power shouldn't be reserved for just coders and Silicon Valley insiders. We will explore its fullest potential. That means going beyond a simple ChatGPT prompt. We're talking about creating stunning AI films from a single sentence. I'm here to test the tools, break down the techniques, and find the hidden gems so you don't have to. I'm doing the research so you can get the results.
If you're tired of feeling left behind and you're ready to actually harness this revolution to save time, make money, and unleash your creativity, then you are in the right place. Subscribe and let's unlock the future, one prompt at a time.